go by here, and I broke the wire while digging up this flower bed. Forgot there was a wire going through there and broke it. Now the thing is, now this was here, there's not enough free space, not enough slack where I can just put one of these on it and fix it. So I'm going to have to use a extra piece of wire. Simple enough, but I'm going to have two of these and two of these. Now I'm using the PetSafe one. It's a 10-pack I got off Amazon. It's got instructions. I'm not actually going to follow their instructions. Do it a little different. I'm sure theirs work okay, but I think mine will work better. So I've stripped these down to 3/8 to 1/2 inch. Now I'm going to turn them just a little bit. Take the orange connector here, and we're going to turn that till you get some pressure. There we go. You don't want to go too far, or you'll actually break these little wires. Now, what I do here is I will take and put a little knot in it. Like so. Then you'll take your, I don't know what these are called. Slide those in, and I slide the knot in there. Then you spread the wire out and push that closed. The reason the knot is there, if you look here, if I didn't put the knot there, I could just pull it and it'll come up out of the silicone, out of the goo, and could just pull the wires out. Whereas having the knot in there keeps the wires from pulling out, and it keeps it down in the goo, and this keeps it from pulling out. So that's how I do it. We'll do this next one. So tighten that, screw this on. When the wires are turning, you're far enough. Now, I didn't give myself much slack, as it turns out. I wish I had given myself more slack, but the key is to get the knot in there. Technically the knot can be outside, but it'll allow it to pull this out of the goo to keep the moisture out of it. Now I slide that in. Knot is down there, that holds it down. Clip it. Now I got to bury it. Hope that was helpful. If so, please like, subscribe, comment, and there is a link to the kit that I use in the description. And good luck with yours.